Learning to paint on your own can be extremely difficult. Oftentimes, you don't understand the supplies you need or even where to begin. You're left feeling overwhelmed and stressed. Too often, artists spend way too much money on supplies, not understanding what's needed or where to begin. They spend countless hours in trial and error, and in the end up feeling like they haven't even improved. My goal is to help you avoid that. Hi, my name is Yvette St.Amant, and I've spent over 3 decades mastering the art of acrylic paint. One of my greatest passions is sharing my paintings with the world and help aspiring artists just like you. You see, I've been painting professionally for 20 years. My artwork is sold in retailers across North America. After hearing what I do, people always ask, how can I possibly get started to eventually do what you do? How can I even begin painting without all the stress and the questions around how to mix colors or understanding composition? Or where do I even begin with my paintings? It's because of questions like this that I decided to create my course, Mastering the Art of Acrylic Painting. Now, I've put everything I've learned in the years of painting into one incredible class. Whether you've never picked up a paintbrush or you've been painting for a while, I know how frustrating it can be when they just don't turn out the way you expect them. In this class, you will learn everything that you're going to need to know to become a more confident acrylic painter. We're going to paint 24 paintings in a variety of styles and subject. And as we navigate those subjects, I'm going to share a variety of ways that you can paint them, so you're not stuck on one style. We will cover everything from composition to perspective, layering, and so much more. After this class, you'll know how to paint fruit, butterflies, bees, trees, and anything you can imagine. Unlike other classes that you may have taken, this course is not going to focus on one style or one technique. And in fact, once you start understanding the medium, you can really manipulate it to embody other styles of painting with other mediums, such as watercolor and oil paint. This is going to save a ton of money on supplies and hours of trying to figure out how to actually use the paint. I'm also going to include a comprehensive list of supplies in this course in a form of a PDF download when you start watching the modules. The lesson will also include a video of me explaining all the supplies you're going to need, so you're going to be well prepared. If you've been waiting for a course that's going to teach you everything you need to know to start painting with acrylics, this is the course for you. In just a matter of days, you can be like my tens of thousands of students who have said things like, I cannot believe I painted this. I'm so impressed with my work. My friends and family cannot believe I actually created these paintings. Like Charlene Goldsmith, who discovered her own style and started selling her artwork online globally. Or Kim Roja, who discovered a passion for acrylic painting and started creating collections that she displays in coffee shops and galleries in her local community. And the same is true for you too. With the knowledge and skills from this course, you're going to be creating acrylic paintings of your very own, with the joy and excitement that you never thought possible. I put decades of experience into this course to share all the techniques and all the versatility of acrylic paints, just so you can master the art of acrylics. Are you ready to start mastering the art of acrylic painting? Click the button below and get started today.